So what are we doing tonight? We're having meatless chickenless tenders.
Welcome the Kiwis to pistachio.
But what's the difference? Because we had these already. What we're doing is we're going to oven bake them. I've already set the oven at 450 degrees Fahrenheit. Place frozen tenders on an ungreased baking pan, which voila! I have a baking pan with parchment paper where I've placed these for 2 or more people. $450 degrees, timer, 8 minutes. Now it's time to take these and flip them over. So when they came out of the microwave last time, you see how they're wet looking? Look, that's exactly what they look like. So this time I thought, well, why not try something different? Not a piece of cardboard. Baking them, that should make some of my vegan friends happier than using the microwave. Alright, so they've all been flipped. You can see they're a little bit golden brown rather than before. I'll put them in for another 8 minutes. Assuming everything works out well, the time's finished. And that's what they look like. So now what we're doing, we're taking the tenders, the chicken tenders, which are really soy tenders, and the microwave ones tasted like chicken that had been mildly seasoned. So what do we have in this plate? We have 2 baked potatoes with classic guacamole. And then we have green beans with paste chunky salsa. It's a shame it's empty. And we have chickenless tenders made from soy. And this is the plate for tonight. I hope you enjoyed it and come and join me for a future meal. Thank you for watching.
Hi, this is Gary. Click the circle on my face to subscribe, or click the upper box on your right side of your screen to check my expanded playlist. Don't forget to give me a thumbs up if you like this video.